Space is the ultimate luxury. That's my experience firsthand with the Automated Parking Company's innovative parking and vehicle storage solutions. When our family business faced the challenge of expanding our hotel parking without the massive cost and the space we didn't have, their triple stackers and their puzzle parking system was a game changer. Not only did it 5x our vehicle parking capacity, but the sleek design and parking experience and efficiency impressed every guest. If you're seeking a smart way to enhance your property value and surprise your clients with an easy, innovative, modern parking experience, don't hesitate to go vertical and call my friends at the Automated Parking Company. See for yourself how the Automated Parking Company turns small spaces into big opportunities. Trust in their custom parking solution just as we did, and watch your worries about space and more parking disappear. The Automated Parking Company's goal is to turn every client into a lifetime reference of their automated, semi-automated, and attendant parking systems, and to be your one point of contact for the life of your automated parking installation. They will design, manufacture, install, maintain, service, and monitor your parking system 24/7. No handing you off to third parties for installation and maintenance. That's peace of mind for any business owner. The Automated Parking Company engineers and designers have been successful and have the experience installing hundreds of systems and have designed over 1,000 plus automated parking and vehicle storage custom solutions. They are very knowledgeable about what makes a parking design successful for your particular building project to get it approved for construction faster. Request free copies of their products' specification sheets for your architects at theautomatedparkingcompany.com. If you have any questions, please comment on the video below.